me tell you something. I that bee was blowing that bee back out. My God. Did y'all see the form? You see how he was going up underneath? He came from an acute angle. Oh, that bee was getting blown out. That was crazy. That's probably why they said the birds and the bees. This is the origin stories. Probably one of the first bird watchers saw that birds and bees be blowing each other out. Their sex game is probably crazy. They were just sitting there like, whoa. Oh, no, I can't do that. I can't do that. That's a bird. And then they're just like, sex? Oh, yeah, that's the birds and the bees out there. This bee was going to work. He's about to honey.